Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at AMD stock. So let's do the price action analysis on this thing, and also I have an update on my position that I have had on the short side. So what is the update on my short position? If you have seen my morning video that I did on Nvidia, I did provide a little bit of update on AMD as well there, but I have another update in this video. So we'll take a look at my position update and also the price action, all in all what AMD is telling me over here and what I plan on doing. So with that, please hit the like, subscribe. Also please note, none of this is any financial advice and it's only for education purposes. Just sharing my opinion here, guys. Go and do whatever you want to do, okay? So as you know, I am in, well, I should say now, I was in this short play and down here from 161 and below because that was the breakout structure again. And then I have taken some significant, at this significant level 157, some position out already over last couple of days or trading days, I should say. And today, when we flushed lower below this level of 156 and 94 cents, around down here, close to not fully perfectly down there, but close enough. So if I take you to the hourly interval, let's talk about over there. So yeah, when the next red hourly candle is a little bit of a shorter candle and not fully going lower, and I'm seeing wicks down there. I took some partial profits out already, and by the morning I was on this around 35% left with my short position almost, right? Then what? Well, guys, semiconductors have been going up, and the time we got above this area of 156 and 91 cents, that was not very much liked by me. This wasn't something that I wanted to see. This is looking very strong, and I got fully out from my short position. So as an update, I don't have any short position left on AMD. It was still a profitable trade, but I'm not holding it anymore longer. That was it, and I'm out of it because, oops, sorry, I just gotta get rid of that because, well, the structure is changing, and I'll talk about that in just a second. So yeah, this is where my play has ended today. Now the thing is that, why did I get out? Why didn't I continue to hold? Well, because yes, we got this flush at 156 and 86 cents. That's great, and that's what was, allowing me to be staying in the position. Even I took some partial profits out here as well, but still. But then when we got this wick and buying started to come in, and we also back again got above 156 and 92 cents. That was it for me. That's again a regaining of the structure here by AMD. AMD is still trying to hold this structure at 156 and 87 cents. So this could be a start of a pivot because there's bulls sitting over here. Bulls are coming in AMD price structure. So it's not willing to break the second level on the price structure, right? So yes, AMD may not look fully bullish, but it's strong enough that it may be turning itself into a pivot and some upside may start to come. And what is that place for upside? Well, so let's go to the hourly interval first. All right, and at this point, the way it has recaptured this level of 156 and 91 cents, this is just a, like any pullback to this level of 156 and 91 cents has a huge potential to be just a pullback, and this may start an uptrend at least for a day or two. So in my opinion, AMD can remain bullish for even another day. So we'll see what happens there. I want to take you to the 5 minutes interval. Let's go to actually 3 minutes interval. And I want to show you my day trading bot as well on AMD, and then I'll talk a couple of more things here. So still a profitable day on AMD. Well, this position, one of the position is still running. There's already partial profits have been given by my bot, but there is one more partial profit that is about yet to come. So you can see the open PNL on the current position and then close PNL as well on these partial profits for the current position. And you can see we're net profitable as well. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of this video. I have 2 indicators and 2 trading bots. So yeah, even look at it on a falling day, eventually my bot still, gave good buying position on this and we are profitable. All right. So what I want to actually show you also here on the area is that when you see a level of such type holding, right, double bottom, that's fine, right? Sure, we've got a double bottom on a lower time frame at one of the levels and we went up. The thing is that once we got above this level area of a significant level, right, we resisted there, but you can see we got a pullback, we got up there, tried to find support. That's it, guys. All right, that just makes it to continue go higher. So yeah, this is what it is. And AMD, in my opinion, can remain strong for tomorrow as well. And that's why I wanted to get out from my short position, because structure may start to become strong again on this. And that was it. Once you have this flush but it fails to hold lower, yeah, you don't want to continue holding that short position. Just my opinion. At least that's how I trade. You can go and do whatever you want to do, guys. Okay. So yeah, AMD is looking strong again, and yeah. So yeah, I'm not fully convinced though that it's just going to continue higher and higher. But what I'm saying is that it's a good start of the strength, and then couple of days it can still stay strong up here, and then if it finally breaks above $161.85 to 162, once it finally breaks above that, yeah, that will then give it another rally up, just like previous times we have had. This time I just think it will be a little bit stronger if that happens. Okie dokie. Well, guys, that's it for AMD. You can see all semiconductors are super strong today, except SoundHound AI. I have a short play on this still running. Let's just take a look at Nvidia as well before wrapping up. So, yep, as I did my morning video as well, been saying that pullbacks are just a buy at one of our levels. Also, we got over there. Right, my day trading bot is profitable on this as well. Nvidia, I'm not gonna plug and play here. If you have access to my tools, you know this already. If you need access, links are in the description below this video. So this was the level, right? 129 and 71 cents area. We got a pullback there. Rebound is coming on intraday, holding the support. We also took out 20 hours moving average again. It has been continuing higher. So no sign of downside on this as well right now. Anyways, guys, so that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe, and with that, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.